is Dr. Alpha Suleiman. I'm in India, courtesy of Nigeria Customs Service. Coincidentally, I was sent here to come for an observation training in orthopedic and traumatology. Supposedly, we have spent 7 weeks, and I had the opportunity to have met with couples of consultants. But topmost among them is Dr. Mohan Reddy, the senior consultant in orthopedic and traumatology, specializing in total knee replacements. There in my team were senior consultants, about 3 of them, but specific to mention is Dr. Vijay Reddy, who has been able to put me through posterior spinal surgery, and I've equally watched a lot of arthroscopic procedure and a couple of total knee replacements, up to the tune of about 60 total knee replacements. During the sojourn, I have equally been able to visit Apollo Hospital in Nelo, where a couple of surgery were equally done there. My experience in Chennai, a milestone in my life because of what I have seen here, is quite commendable, and praising the management of this place for the job well done, and specifically to those at the Patient International Relation that have been able to do a lot for us, and we owe them a lot of appreciation for what they have done for us. Planning to go home is my hope and aspiration that we should meet our family member peacefully, just like the way we are going to leave these people here peacefully. On behalf of this team, I think I must commend the management of this place for the job well done. Thank you very much, and God bless.
My name is Dr. Pali Roger Raphael. I am a medical officer with the Nigerian Customs Service. Came to Apollo Hospital, Chennai for an observation training in critical care. My experience has been great. The consultants I worked under, the team was actually headed by Dr. Ramesh. The consultants I worked under were very good. The equipment, well, I'd say the intensive care unit actually exposed me to a lot of new things. It was quite inspiring and quite motivating. I hope that when I go back, I'll be able to practice a bit differently. So I really want to thank the management of Apollo and every other person that I've worked with here. The list is too long to mention. Well, thank you very much.
My name is Dr. Habibu Mohammed Umar, I'm a medical officer with Nigerian Customs Service, that's Abuja. Currently in Chennai, being posted to General Surgery Department. I am under Dr. Raghunath, that's the HOD, General Surgery. My experience with the team is that there is a kind of meticulousness in whatever they are doing. Teamwork is absolutely being maintained, and the other basic things that we learn there, like safety techniques and also teamwork. I think this is my own recommendation. I also thanks the management of Apollo, more especially those in international relations, for a kind of care and also consideration they have been giving us. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Sunusegar Barini from Semi-Medical Unit of Nigerian Customs Service Area Command, Lagos. I am posted to observational training at Apollo Main Hospital in Chennai on 9th day of January 2015, and it has been very wonderful and beautiful experience here in Apollo Hospital. I am posted into the Department of Obstetric and Gynecology under the supervision of the head of department, Dr. Somona Manak, and she really take me around. I have been with her for 5 weeks, I learned about robotic surgery, laparoscopic surgery, and I attend 2 international seminars of Royal College of Obstetric and Gynecology and Indian College of Obstetric and Gynecology. I have learned a lot in general gynecology, reproductive medicine, and laparoscopic surgery. I have had a lot of experience and I really informed. They shape my mind, they improve my thinking. I have met with senior consultants, about 10 of them, and I learned the interpersonal relationship between and among all the hospital staff is highly recommendable. I really appreciate the member of the International Patient Relations Center, specifically Sam, Shubra, and their co-workers for their diligence and willingness to serve and relate with anybody that come under them. I will end my note thanking the management of Apollo Hospital for their dope holding, for their leading medical practice, not only in India and the world, with all the recent and available gadget that is obtainable anywhere in the world. I really appreciate it, and I will do my best to improve myself from what I learned. Thank you.
I am Mohammed Rabi Kuku, a medical officer with the Nigerian Customs Services on observational training in general surgery here in Chennai. I've been here for the past 7 weeks, posted to general surgery department under the team of Dr. Raghunath with my colleague. Being in that department has been wonderful. We are exposed to the field of general surgery, both the open and laparoscopic surgery, and it has been educating. It has really exposed us, and the procedures are well defined, and we've seen the way doctors and patients relate. Most importantly, patients are treated as if they are king. Cases are individualized, and the best is offered, and no compromise in any way, whether in the field of surgery or technique, has been instituted. So it is generally a wonderful exposure. It is really educating and challenging, and I must appreciate the team members for having us around and taking us along in the course of what they've done. They really taught us a lot, and human relation amongst us has been superb. The general impression we have about the hospital as a whole has been wonderful. There are lots to be learned from it. With this few words of mine, I wish to conclude that our coming was really fruitful. It is highly rewarding, and community hosted us very well, both the clinical and non-clinical staff alike. I must say thank you for the opportunity, and I pray and look forward to another opportunity of this nature. Thank you so much for the opportunity given to us to be with you for the past 7 weeks. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Joy Bwala. A medical officer with the Nigerian Customs Service in Abuja. I'm here on a 7-week training in critical care observation under Dr. Ramesh. I just want to say that I'm really happy for the training, because everything that we learned was really very good. We got to see a lot of cases that we hardly see in Nigeria and know how it's being managed, and we've seen the outcome, and everything here is done perfectly in ways that we only read about in the books, and stuff that we only see in the books and read about, we actually got to see them practically and how cases are being managed. I just want to thank the management for the opportunity given us to with my colleagues to be able to come for this training. Learned a lot, and we hope that when we go back, we'll be able to put into use all that we have learned. Thank the management, the International Relations Department, and everybody that contributed to this observation course. Thank you very much.
The names are Adeshida Adewumi Adedoyin. I'm a medical officer with Nigeria Customs Service in Nigeria on observational training in Apollo Hospital, Chennai. From the onset at which the training was fixed, I want to start by saying thank you to Apollo Hospital, Chennai for giving us the opportunity to come and learn under them. And from the first point of call, on the 10th of January, we really want to appreciate the International Patient Department, Mr. Sam, Shubra. They have been very wonderful, and the other team members, they made sure that we settled down. They took us to our various departments. I really appreciate them for their hospitality. And I want to thank the departments I was posted, obstetric and gynecology, the coordinator, Dr. Sumana Manoa, and the other consultants, too numerous to mention. They have been very wonderful. I've learned a lot of things in this place. I've learned robotic surgery, I've learned laparoscopic surgery, I've learned open surgery, I've learned clinical work, I've learned some values of life, honesty, sincerity, hard work, hospitality. They accept us like their own. They are so wonderful. I really appreciate them. And I've equally learned about some things about India too. This is just by the way anyway. I have eaten some food I've not eaten before, like biryani and the rest, which when I get back to Nigeria, I'm going to tell my people. And what am I taking home? I'm taking home all these things I've mentioned. And I hope that one day, someday in the future, I'm going to return back, maybe to come and do a fellowship here. I really want to say thank you once again. God bless them. God bless you.